Hi everyone. So before I begin, I hope that my lighting isn't too crazy or too bright. It's like really rainy out today, so I'm trying to like compensate like with my ring light, and anyhow, I just hope that it looks okay. That the quality looks okay. So I thought that I would do an unboxing. You're gonna hear some noises downstairs too because my husband is with my son downstairs and my daughter, so they're probably going to be making a ton of noise. This is the quietest spot in the house. And I was going to wait to do this, but I've been waiting for this package for a while now, so I just kind of want to like open it and get it over with already. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm also going to show you like the accessories that I got. So as you see from the title of the video, you already know what this is about. What type of unboxing this is. So, and these bags have been pretty popular for the past few years, I would say. And like, I wasn't gonna jump on the bandwagon, to be honest, but when I saw this one, it's this one and another one that I saw that I really liked a lot, and that kind of made me change my mind. So let's just open it up. So I ordered it from the Marc Jacobs website, and this is what the box looks like, and this is the like receipt, I guess. So this is it. And it comes in this bag here. You might kind of already be able to see what it looks like. Wow. This is she. Okay, so this is the Marc by Marc Jacobs tarp tote, and they have this also in black, but I chose this one because I don't have anything like this at all. And I have so many black bags. I know that like the popular tote bag is like the black canvas one with the white lettering on it, but I don't have anything like this. And this like metallic-y type color really reminds me of the 2000s. And if any of you have been watching any of my videos, or if you're new to my channel, hello. But also like I've been into like bags from the 2000s a lot for like the past few years. So let's see. And this looks like it's the dust bag. That's what the dust bag looks like. This is so pretty. This would be really cute like as like a pillow or something. Every time like when I see other people showing this, that's like the first thing that I thought of. I thought it would be like a really cute pillow. I'm obviously not going to use it for that, but I think it would be a really cute like pillowcase. And so that's the strap. And then the inside is like, it's like it's yellow, but it's almost like a terry material. So that's how the inside looks. And this is the back. Okay, and I'm gonna show like a couple little things that I got to go with the bag. So I did get a wallet. It is not a Marc Jacobs wallet. It is actually a Loungefly wallet. And look at it yet. I actually just like cut the package open. So this is my wallet to go with the bag. I know that some people might be like, what? But yes, this is an Edward Scissorhands Loungefly wallet. And anyone who's ever seen my Loungefly collection, you'll know that I have the backpack that goes with this wallet. And for some reason, when I saw this purse, I don't know why, I thought of this wallet. And that's the back. It's the little Loch Ness Monster. It's got the topiary. Oh my god, it's so adorable. It's so cute. I want to see what the inside looks like. And just like the backpack, on the back it has "I'm not finished," but on the inside it has it on the wallet. So, and that's what it looks like. And it's this it's lined in like this like neon-y type green, which is like one of my favorite colors. As you can see, I got this sweatshirt on. It's so adorable, my goodness. And let me see if I put them together. I hope I like the way it looks together. Yeah, I thought I would. Like the colors complement. I think it looks really cute together. I know people might be like, that's weird. But I really, really love this wallet and this bag. The combination is really cute in my opinion. And then I got like a little... Now, I don't know how this is going to go with it, but if it doesn't go, then that's okay. I could always use it on a different bag. But I got this little flower. And I saw that there was like yellow on the interior part of the bag, so I thought that maybe as a charm, this little flower would go. So I ordered this flower. So I'm gonna see what that looks like, and I'll be right back. Yeah, so after like finagling it for a little while with the charm or whatever, I'm not really sure if I like the way the charm looks on the bag. I think I might just leave the bag as is like this. It's already like a very like metallic-y silver color as it is, so it's already pretty loud. And I really like the back of this. I really like the way that they did this, like the labeling in the back. I thought that was really cute. So that's pretty much it. I really don't know like what else to say about it. But this is the one that I chose, and I just kind of wanted to show what the inside looks like again. And there's like a back pocket there, and they did come out with this bag, and it basically said, you know, the way like all of the other tote bags are, where it says, you know, Marc Jacobs, you know, the tote bag or whatever, in big letters in the front. But when I went to look it up, I saw that somebody was selling theirs used on Poshmark, and the letters were like fading. And when I saw that, I was like, not for the price of this bag. I'm sorry, but you know, I know it's not like Louis Vuitton prices or anything, but still, like I don't think that you should be spending like $300-400 on a purse, and like the label is like starting to wear off. Like I don't think so. Like that's ridiculous in my opinion. So this is it. This is the bag. Maybe I'll do a what's in my purse video with it at some point. I'm not sure yet, but I really do like it. It's really cute. It's definitely very different. I don't have anything like this in my collection at all. Not at all. So anyhow, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.